So this is the desk that I'm trying to assemble. If you look at it, you can see this part is about 2 inches too short. And this part is crooked. I don't know if you can get it all in, but I don't know if you can see it. It slants down. It's not even straight. Not only is it too short, but it is not tall enough. There's no parts you can get for it. It's missing parts as well. So Amazon wants me to parcel this thing up and send it back to them. I'll get a refund, but that doesn't help. The desk is supposed to look like this. And when it's complete, it's all level. There's the company and model number. Never buy it again. Shit. See, it's supposed to be on this side, and it's on this side. This is how it's supposed to be.